What's up, Vechain holders? What's going on this time? Vechain price will get a very unbelievable change occurring. You can see at 8.07% in last 3 days, my friends. This is really nice news, my friends. Very good news for all Vechain holder. To the price will completely starting moving upward and get a very good profit. Especially, my friend, they will get this huge profit in last 24 hours. If we check out 14.66%, my friend, you can see here Vechain price will increase now. So I think it is unbelievable and it's really good now. All crypto market is comfortable, my friend. This time all coins were moving upward, no coin were fails down. All coins, can you understand? All coins is moving upward. So therefore I think I'm so happy to Vechain will also moving upward, because this is one of my favorite coin. I also invest now. So therefore, Vechain holder, please try to understand, if a market cap is increasing, then definitely the Vechain price will also increasing. It's everything depend on market cap. If people are starting investing, then the market cap is increasing. Yes, my brothers, please try to understand. My prediction in my previous video, I already predicted this coin, so it's 100% gone positive after the mid of month. Absolutely every coin will starting moving upward. So therefore, this is just only the beginning. You can see, my friend, this is just only the start. Vechain price will hit now easily 0.2 USD dollar just only in 2 days, and half USD dollar at the end of month. This is our latest target now. So but this is possible if they will get now 10% profit. This time they will get a 14% profit if they just only get a 10% profit. So this is possible. Otherwise, my friends, they will never hit half USD dollar. So please try to understand. Vechain coin holders, we are starting holding, but definitely if some especially short time investor are starting selling. So therefore, if a holder are starting selling, so definitely the price will dumps down. So this is one thing more, my friend, for all of you. So hope you understand something new, my friends. Please, you will need to hold down. I hope if you hold, so they will give you a very good profit at the end of month. Thanks for watching. Vechain coin holders, please like video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type informative videos.